Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can claim your tickets on Ticketmaster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do to claim your tickets on Ticketmaster is simply tap open your Gmail account. So once you open your Gmail and see in your mailbox, you can find a Ticketmaster link to your ticket. So simply tap on it and then you will get this kind of ticket on your screen. So now simply tap on accept tickets. After doing this, you need to now sign in into your Ticketmaster account. For this, you need to type in your email address and your password and tap on the sign in button. Once you do this, simply go in your My Tickets option, and once you are in your My Tickets section, you will have your tickets secured in your account of Ticketmaster. So by this way, you can simply claim your tickets on Ticketmaster. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.